The FZB extension identifies a Fritzing part bin file containing curated collections of electronic components for the Fritzing PCB design application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you import, manage, or create these component library files. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a FZB file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. FZB files are part bin collection files for Fritzing an open-source electronic design and prototyping application. They contain organized groups of electronic component definitions with categorized parts for quick access during circuit design and PCB layout. Fritzing FZB files use an XML-based format, wrapping references to individual component part definitions, organized into named categories. They define curated component libraries that appear as selectable bins in Fritzing's parts panel for organized access during design work. The developer of Fritzing, Friends of Fritzing EV, created the original specifications for FZB. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows provides limited support for advanced design features, requiring external tools. Your reliable first step is the Open With action. Right-click the FZB file and select Open With. If Fritzing is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the application that works. If you still can't open the FZB file, it's okay. The nature of the FZB format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, importing part bins. Open Fritzing and navigate to the Parts panel. Right-click and select Import Part Bin or Use Part. Then import bin to load the FZB file. The component collection appears as a new bin in the Parts panel with all contained components available for circuit design. Next, creating custom bins. In Fritzing, right-click the Parts panel and select New Bin. Drag components from existing bins or the search results into your custom bin. Organize parts by category and project requirements. Save the bin as an FZB file for sharing with team members. Finally, sharing component libraries. Export custom FZB part bins and distribute to colleagues working on collaborative Fritzing projects. Recipients import the FZB file to gain access to the same curated component set, ensuring consistent part selection across the design team. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.